អូនេះគឺពិតជាគួរឲ្យខ្លាចមែនទែនដោយបុរស4នាក់ខាងលើនេះគឺគាត់បានសម្រេចចិត្តដើរក្នុងព្រៃក៏បានប្រទះឃើញរូងមួយក៏ពួកគេសម្រេចចិត្តចូលទៅក្នុងនោះក៏មិននឹកស្មានថាជួបរឿងមួយដែលគួរឲ្យព្រឺព្រួយខ្លាំងមែនទែនបងប្អូនតោះទស្សនាវីដេអូពេញទាំងអស់គ្នា
I don't mind spiders. I like them. All right, boys, I'm going in.
Go in.
We've explored the hell out of this tunnel. It does go to a dead end and it comes out to a field. But we haven't explored the right side of it. Like there's more tunnels that we haven't seen yet. Like there's a lot more to check out. What is that? Yo, we're literally not alone here.
You guys saw that? Yeah. After you, bro. Hello?
Dude, that was traumatizing. I don't want to go back in there. Damn, that was scary. Somebody just took a step behind me. Literally, a footstep right behind me. The f was that?
I don't know. Where's the exit?
I don't know.
This way? Okay.
Try. Tunnel rumbling. And as you were coming out, I heard a loud footsteps, something stepping back here.
Oh, it's a dead end.
Dead end here, yeah.
See? No, but we can get cornered here too.
Yeah. Here's the thing. Yeah. It's something, guys. There's a shadow man here. Hey, shadow man, reveal yourself.
Hello?
What's called?
Okay. Come on, let's go find out what's going on.
Yo, we need to go. Yo, come on.